Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to transfer the ownership of the Google Form. Then without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So this tutorial might be suitable if you're in a situation that you would like to transfer this Google Form because you have the opportunity to handle the another management or the another business or another division, and this Google Form need to be transferred to your coworker or your another team. So the first step you can do is prepare the form that you would like to transfer to, and you can direct your cursor into this share button on the up right corner beside this publish. Click it, and after that it will give you the section to input the email that you would like to transfer. So I recommend you that the email that you address for or the address to contains the Gmail domain. For example, I will type the new user, and on this section you can change it to become editor, and you can simply add the short notes like here's the form, kindly check it out, and you can send it right after. And as soon after you send it, as you can see, the access has been updated. You can go back to this share section because the step is not over yet. You can go back to this section on the new user that has been or that have had the access to the editor to become the owner. And you can click this section and transfer the ownership. Remember that once you change the ownership and once this people or this email has the right to be the owner, then you will no longer to have the right to be as the owner, and it's like the final notes from the Google that you have already agreed for about this term and condition. And if you already okay with that, then you can click this transfer ownership, and the address email will have the invitation after you send this invitation to receive the ownership of this Google Form. Still, as you can see here, the pending of the owner because the owner still need to open the email or the inbox and accept the invitation to be the owner of this Google Form. And with that said, that you need to do the confirmation to your team that they need to accept the invitation to have the full access to be the owner. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself and your team if you have that concern. And also I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.